Hi, great to hear that you're interested in PROSEL. I'm Andrew Mills. I've worked for 40 years with most UK companies building lightweight composite structures. Initially with Airbus on the A320, been leading Cranfield Composites manufacturing research since 1991. Over that time, I led the 1990s composite structures demonstrated development for Airbus, then BA Systems research into unmanned aircraft airframe technology, more recently helping companies like McLaren, JLR, Bentley and Nissan with lightweight structures using carbon. This is an introduction to PROSEL. It was built as part of a huge UK government programme, the Composite Industry Cluster, and then been refined through two Innovate stroke Advanced Propulsion Centre funded projects, Alex and ARCS. I set it up to guide engineers into looking at materials and processes, both established and emerging ones, aiming to build better parts, all being well lighter, and all being well at lower cost. It's been confidential so far since it's being developed to project partners. We're now opening it up for free of charge use for the UK composites community. It's completely confidential, and yeah. So what does it do? In a nutshell, it asks you what you want from a new structure in terms of requirements, benefits, attributes, and then looks at around about 200 combinations of material types and process techniques, and essentially works out which of those are applicable or useful or appropriate to what you need to build. Comes up with a list. It then runs two routines, one using based on stiffness. So for equivalent stiffness, it basically works out the weight of a structure in comparison with the others. And also then runs a cost routine to compare manufacturing cost in terms of materials, waste, tooling investment per part, and labour, to give you a view of roughly what sort of cost order we're talking about and what material and process might show benefits over others. So the output is then a starting point for discussions, either with material suppliers, equipment suppliers, sort of design partners. And there we are. I've done a couple of slideshows. One is a quick overview to show you how it works, and the other one is shows it being used in a case study on automotive floor part. So please give it a go. It's all totally confidential. I can only see who has an account, nothing more. To use it, you need a login, and I need to give you full access. And yeah, see how you get on. Give me a shout if you need any help. And yeah, hope it seems useful. So prosel.co.uk. Thank you.